By identifying and highlighting positive examples of sustainable urban development, WWF's Earth Hour City Challenge acts as a source of inspiration for cities around the globe. Energy consumption related to buildings is responsible for approximately 1/3 of the world's carbon emissions. Energy efficiency measures, including the transition to renewable energy sources, the adoption of new design and building standards, and awareness raising, are examples of how progressive municipalities are working to reduce the building sector's impact on the climate. The goal for the Stockholm Royal Seaport is to reduce carbon emissions to less than 1.5 tons per person by 2020, and to eliminate the use of fossil fuels in this new residential district by 2030. Buildings are designed to minimize energy use and will actually produce 2 kilowatts of solar energy per square meter. In addition, to discourage car ownership in the area, only half a parking space is allocated per apartment. The city of Chicago, together with regional partners, is aiming to transform the metropolitan area into a national leader in residential and commercial rooftop solar development. To finance this transition, the city will use $750,000 in grant funds from the U.S. Department of Energy as part of the Sunshot Initiative Rooftop Solar Challenge. Chicago's efforts to make the transition to renewable power sources is directly in line with the city's goal for 2020 of reducing its carbon emissions to a level that's 25% below those from 1990. As part of the city's plan to ensure high energy performance in new buildings, Surrey is constructing a new City Hall to meet LEED Gold certification. The City Hall will be part of the city's new pedestrian-friendly downtown core and will include a geothermal heating and cooling system that will also serve the city centre library. The system will act as a node for future expansion, which the Surrey City Council has promoted through financial incentives and an early adopters policy. Ctiy is working with India's Green Building Council on a series of sustainable buildings and urban planning training programs. City officials and other local stakeholders are being trained along with local architects and building contractors. The programs include training on green building standards, energy and water efficiency, as well as sustainable use of materials and resources.